Hi, Dorothy. Okay, looking at your piece, I think it looks good. I was thinking though, well, number one, if you put this on your website, don't save it as a JPEG. Show it as a vector piece if you can, like a PDF, because it'll just look sharper and it'll scale better. But one thing I noticed you guys do is you list projects, which is a good idea, but consider taking that and moving it under education because these are directly related to what you want to do. And, as far as your retail experience, that's fantastic, but that you completed animations and did design is really impressive, and it'll put you above people that just worked at GameStop and fiddle around with software. The other thing I thought, this is no little thing. It's very rare that, maybe in Indiana it's not, but it's very rare that I've heard of students having the gumption to get these certifications in Photoshop and Illustrator. So consider typing out the exact wording of that and then not just grouping them together. Normally I would encourage people, rewording things to make it tight. But as far as the Adobe certification, I would put that out there exactly for what it is. So if you need to get more real estate for something like that, the page size does look a little narrow. You could always make it 8.5 by 11. I don't know if that's what it is. And again, you could make it a little bit bigger too, since it's a very graphic resume. All right, so those were my main thoughts. Let me see. Look at this actual size. Okay. So, all right. Microsoft Suite. You want to capitalize any proper nouns like PowerPoint. Creative Suite, vector image. You actually are, because you're certified in these two things. So I like that you're humble with your description and you don't write expert, because you could, if you're literally certified, you can say expert. All right. Definitely edit out that hyphen, and if you have to, just hit return. Do that. Okay, and then you got another hyphen. So it seems like you're a little crunched for space here. So see what you can do to loosen things up about a bit. Technical honors for the Wiley Art Center. That's really cool. You can speak German. That's fun. Student ambassador. See, all this stuff is sort of shoved in here, but it's kind of a big deal that you've done all these things and gotten awards. And they're definitely more impressive than working at GameStop, right? So think about how you can add more emphasis to the things that were harder to get and harder to do. All right, but your content is excellent. That is all just food for thought. Oh, finally, nobody cares about your address unless this is an invoice. I think what's more important, especially for you as an animator, cartoonist, is to put a website. All right, let me know if you have any questions.